Hey, what's up everyone? This is 2FN right here in my crib. Got the Z just chilling here for today. We're gonna take my daily, this little Q50. It's a hybrid. It's a sport. Bagged. Yellow calipers. You know, simple, clean. Just what I wanted. But let's go meet up with One Bag G. Get this day going. Oh wait, hold up. Hold up. Oh shit.
30-minute.
Damn, that shit looking saucy.
I think.
Hey, that shit.
It looks better, huh?
That thing's clean, bro.
Thank you. Now give me.
I don't like that fitment in the rear though.
Camera arm's coming.
See the boy Kev, looking really clean. That. I don't like his ride height.
We went to Best Buy to get a fucking mic for the camera so you guys could actually hear us. George and Jesse are gonna meet us there. 500 likes on this video. We'll rent a trailer for that shit to tow all of us to a car show. 500 likes and it's there. But it has to be on this video. George is pulling up.
Oh my bad. Static life. Static life.
CZ30? Turn around.
Okay.
Q50, my bad.
Okay.
No, but the fourth Q has arrived. Q number 1,
Oh my god!
3,
It's a fake Q.
and 4. Nah, it's the Q60. It's the early model Q60, baby.
Oh, alright. For sure. I forgot.
Well. Look who decided to show up.
What? Who's stripping or what? Hey, bruh. Why is this nigga always fucking eating, bro?
Is he from Houston? You from Houston or what?
Hey,
Wait a minute.
I'm from Shugland, bro, so I don't know where the fuck you from.
hey, what the fuck? They're closed, so no mic.
Nope.
Continuous.
Sorry guys. Next vlog we'll have a new mic.
Weapon.
What's up?
Good? Oh, going.
Shortest guy here now?
What's up?
Say what's up. What's your name?
My name's Kevin.
Your IG handle?
What's your IG? 300ZX Kevin.
And what do we got here? What year? Tell us a little bit about this.
1990 300ZX. It's an NA, unfortunately, but yep.
It's clean, man.
Thank you. 8 years.
Wrapped by me.
Yes, sir. The one and only.
Hey, me too.
Oh yeah. He helped you.
Those lights? Who did those lights?
You did. I'm not. It's not here.
He's not here right now.
You guys.
Just clean, bruh.
Thank you.
Just clean.
The camera.
Who wants the fucking the banana? $10, everybody, whoever eats it. Jesse.
I vote Jesse.
So everyone gives you $10. Whoever eats this fucking
The
banana.
full banana or just like
No,
gotta eat a
full
whole?
banana.
What if I do half?
Full banana.
I'll do half.
Full
for
banana,
$5.
and I'll give you $10. I don't know who else to give you $10.
I'll give him $10.
I'll give him 10
Whole
bucks.
shit.
$30.
Who's eating whole banana?
Yeah.
Will you give $10 if they eat the whole banana?
No, because I want to eat it.
Alright.
He wants to eat it for free. I'll eat it for 10. Easy. I love bananas.
I love bananas.
No.
All right.
I'm not good.
I can't even peel it up. No, I can't.
You're supposed to peel it from the bottom. You got the. What the? Fuck?
Guys.
No, bro.
50-50. All right.
Oh, it's like
More. 5 and 5.
yeah, 5 and 5.
Oh, I got the good 5 and 5. 5 and 5. This one ain't that. This shit's been sitting out here for who knows? No, y'all foul it. Y'all eat that shit.
Alright, bro.
No, hell no. They probably injected this shit, bruh.
Cheers.
No.
No.
Ready?
No, they injected this shit or something, bruh.
Ready?
No, hell.
Eat it.
No.
yak. He's a real yak.
Hey, but y'all didn't eat the whole thing, so no money.
Certified.
Jesse, where are we, dog?
Where we at?
Double D. What's up?
Where we at?
Double D.
Oh,
RP double D.
D double D. Come on now. Follow me, follow me.
I mean, double deckers.
Yeah. Boy 2F's getting some reels for the TikTok that we got going on. See him getting down. But everywhere we go, we gotta start making reels now, cause it's the way to go, man. Obviously, this is not everyone in our crew. We still are missing like 6 heads, I think. 2 of them are gonna pull up right now. As far as everyone else, they couldn't make it today either, but we're starting to pop out, man. No. Down bad. Where's the queue? Where's the queue at? Where's the queue at? Again?
Yeah, nigga.
How'd you blow it this time?
Huh?
How'd you blow it this time?
Crazy Jesse.
Shut up. No, but for those of you that don't know, this guy that sags his pants all the way down to his knees,
Hey, bro.
his little woolly.
What's going on with the gang over here, man? We're here at the Steezy G's. About to hit my Steezy Pie with Steezy G's. Dang. Okay. Alright, stop, bro.
Anyways.
Alright, what are we doing? What are we doing?
We're about to get down with some bowling, you know, the McDonald's shoes.
McDonald's shoes, you said.
We're about to figure out if we can do like a little competition. Loser does something at the end of this. See what happens.
Go, go, go.
Talk.
Alright, so this right here, my good luck charms will win. But we're starting with the 11M and
What does the M stand for?
for Master Bowler.
Oh my.
Oh, come on now, cousin. Take those bitches off. 11M Master Bowler.
Okay.
Good, starting off good. You know who it is.
Jay Slash is getting it done, bro.
I did. Well, I'm gonna spend time with my girls now. Right when you said I was gonna go.
Hurry up, bruh. All right. This is cool. Bro, it's still you. You guys pick. Oh my. Bandura. Hit it. Okay. The little 7-5 split. Next. Who's next?
Nah, he's next.
Alright, Lil Uli's next. Lil Uli.
Damn, look at the ridiculous 17 mile per hour strike.
Oh my god. Word. Let's see what's up.
What'd you buy him? No, he said he was raw, bro.
All right, bro. No, we need to figure out what the loser's gonna do.
All right, yeah, hold on. Now you gotta figure something out. Hold on,
All right. No, it's good. Lacto, hit it.
You're good like that. You raw?
Hit it. Oh my god. You see the curve on that shit? That shit had camber. 2F'ing? Oh, 2F'ing's on the left. See what's up. Let's see big ball. That's right. That's right. That's right. Give me that fuck. All right, Lecto. Second one, baby. Come on. Camber. Shit. All right, 2F and second shot. You see the form? Oh. Not bad. Looks like 2F and eating the banana.
That's all the bananas.
All right. Hey, Cap City. Everyone's first shot. Cap City eating the fucking tender.
Really? Why?
See what's up. Shit! Strike boys. All right, you see one back G, he's up.
No! I'm predicting a strike.
A strike? Oh, he got the grip on that shit. Yeah! All right, now beginners bad luck. Part two. That's right, gutter number 2, baby. Oh, I got one.
Hey, you see me?
Centenario, baby.
5 minutes later, I was like,
Her boy.
I thought it was a random.
You're up. Oh my god! How fast was that shit? So close. Good first hit.
A shot.
All right, right now it'll be whoever loses takes a shot. All right.
Game takes a shot.
All right.
Double shot.
All right, double shot. Back to back.
Little spare on the middle.
Wasting my fucking time. All right, first game's about to end. And now this is the scoreboard. On this table, we got Her Boy in the lead. This table, Steezy 30 in the lead. All right, y'all. Also, this fool Uli has been missing every single shot. Look, gutter.
Like in team shot glasses. That one's gonna not get. I'm not getting.
We all have to do it all at once.
Yeah, all at once.
No, you have to do it all at once. No, give it to him there. You do.
I'm gonna do double, bro. I can't
Just hit it. No, keep going. Go. One more. How was it?
disgusting.
You're gonna
it's
lose.
like if I took 3 shots, dude.
You're gonna lose in bowling again?
No, never again.
All right, guys. We got a new member just came. It's B for Brian. What the fuck? What the fuck?
Nigga, when we were driving in,
Brian?
man.
So to the vlog.
What's up with the vlog, man? Y'all ready? Staying active. Y'all thought, first, hold on. I seen a comment saying, right, fire. You remember what that comment said?
It said, see y'all in 2 years.
It said, see you in 2 years. You're seeing me right now. We back active, baby. First
All right, this is.
picture, bro. My mama put that.
Happy birthday, little bro.
You guys want me to curve it or straight?
Nah, whatever you want. This is your shot. First shot. Everyone's first shot. Surprise us.
Check it out right
Oh,
here.
I love it.
Check
What
out
the hell is that? Your finger's good?
Oh, my man.
Okay, I love it.
Now I'm gonna just do it the
There
right
we go.
way.
Normal. Okay.
What?
What? Bruh, 2F's been rough. Look, 16. The other lowest is 28. I think 2F'n about to take the shot. All right, that shot's gonna be fire. Guaranteed shot, baby. Guaranteed shot. Guaranteed.
It's gonna be an 8
see what I got it. You alright? Oh my. What would you do if you had that shot? Hey, he ain't giving you a lime.
Just do it.
Yeah,
Do
so
it.
just hit it. Oh my. One. He hit the face. He said fuck. Thank you, Chris.
You know his name?
Yeah, I know his name.
One, two of it. All of it. All of it. All of it.
Hey, I'm gonna fuck with you.
I'm gonna fuck with you.
Alright, gang. Stay tuned for the next video. It's coming soon.
Hey, Uli, what do you want to say to the subscribers and shit?
Don't lose in bowling. Don't lose in bowling, or you take a double shot.